In this tutorial we are going to see how to find a HTML element tag which has an attribute of type name. Just like this is a paragraph tag which has a attribute name that has a value a para, and it has a text inside it, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it has a int tag /p. Now using Selenium you can get this welcome to my YouTube channel by querying the DOM tree for this value a para. It has an attribute name, so Selenium can find an element which has attribute of type name id. Now let's see. Now open your Eclipse and create a method in the element selector class esc dot select element by name. Follow the Java naming convention and pass a value a post and create the method and implement it. Press Ctrl 1 and hit this one. Now the method has created. Remove the auto generator stub and I'm going to use speakingch.com for this purpose. Uncomment this line and save it and call the Firefox browser.get method to load this page. Pass the URL string and then create a web element name w equal to Firefox browser dot call the find element and pass an argument of type by dot name gives the by reference variable and pass name to by dot name method. So now Selenium finds an HTML element that has name attribute. Now call the get text method to get the value inside that HTML element and now debug this one. Change perspective to debug. I'm restoring my windows. Hit F6. The Firefox browser is loaded and hit F6 again. It loads the web page speakingch.com. And if you inspect this first post, and here you can see it, the header HTML element has an attribute of type class. Now double click on this header element and add attribute of type name equal to a post. P is capital and now Firefox loaded the new HTML page source and here hit F6. Now Firefox found the name web element and here you can see the title of the post under console data types in Oracle. And if you have multiple HTML elements which has attribute of type name and same values just like a post, then call Firefox browser dot find elements by passing the argument of type by just like the previous one, and now iterate the list of web elements. Here list of web elements is array list. Now in each iteration call the getText method. Sysout awe dot getText to get the value inside a element. Put breakpoints and debug as Java application. Hit F6 again and Firefox browser loaded, and it is loading the web page. And inspect this element and add the name attribute to it. It's the same element which we saw previously. Add attribute of type name that equal to a post, and add same attribute to another element also. For this element, joining strings with delimiter, inspect it and double click on the element and add the same, and the Firefox loads new page source and hit F6 here, and here you can see the first post title, data types in Oracle SQL part 4, and if you hit F6 again, now here you can see two HTML elements has same name attribute, and hit F6 again, here you can see the values inside the both new one. That's all guys, thanks for watching.